Hi there, I'm Camilo Escobar, JURÍDIA's founder, a law academy in artificial intelligence for lawyers and legal teams of lawyers. We teach the legal foundations of artificial intelligence, of AI. We teach properly the foundations of law in relation to the particularities, to the facts, to the elements that are related to artificial intelligence. And today I'm going to explain the relationship between algorithms, artificial intelligence, and the law. And algorithms are any way to solve a problem, and properly are the group of conditions that must be attended to solve a problem, are the way to solve a problem, are the way to make a solution, are the way for creating a solution, are the proceeding to make a solution, to create a solution, to have a solution regarding a problem. So artificial intelligence is a way to make a solution. It's a way to solve a problem. It's a way for solving a problem, but it's only a solution when it exists in a legally valid way. That is, when it exists in a way that coincides with what is defined in the law, that coincides with the legal must be. So the legally valid artificial intelligence is the AI that complies with the law, that exists in a way that coincides with the whole of the elements that are defined in the law, when coincides with the whole of the requirements, the whole of the conditions that are defined in the law as a whole. So each human being related to the way of existence of AI, of each AI, must comply with the law according to the way in which what is defined in the law applies to each human being regarding AI, the respective AI, to make sure that there is a legally valid artificial intelligence, and in that way, AI is a solution. So what we must know is the law as a whole, and what we must do is to comply with the law faced to each AI existing in each legal relationship, that is, in each environment that is defined in the law. So each environment that is defined in the law is each environment properly that is related to what is defined in the law. So properly, to be clear, a legal relationship is any environment that is related to what is defined in the law. And also to be clear, a legally valid AI is the AI in which there is the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties, and properly is the AI with respect to its form of existence exists based in the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. And properly, to be clear, to really be clear, the legally valid AI is the AI that exists in a way in which there is the enjoyment of rights and correlatively the fulfillment of duties to the extent of the way in which the respective AI exists in the respective relationship, in the respective legal relationship, based in the way in which the facts of that relationship exists, based in the way in which each fact of that relationship exists, and properly based in the way in which the whole of the facts of that relationship exists. So when the facts of that legal relationship exist in a legally valid way, that is, in a way that coincides with what is defined in the law, the legal relationship is legally valid. There is a legally valid relationship. And that includes the fact that there is a legally valid AI inside it, because the whole of that relationship is legally valid. And properly, it's only possible to make a legally valid relationship, a legally valid legal relationship, when all its parts and properly when its whole is legally valid, because it's impossible, it's not possible, it's impossible to make legal validity when one part coincides with the law in the beginning, but then After that, the rest does not comply with the law, because in that case, there is no legal validity. There is an unlawful environment. There is only legal validity when everything coincides with the law. Thanks so much for your attention, and I invite you to www.juridia.co to know what we do. And I remember to you, legal validity only exists when there is the compliance with the law, when each human being that must comply with the law complies with the law, tailored to the way in which what is defined in the law applies with respect to each human being. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.